Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to log out of your Discord account. It's very quick and easy, so just follow what I do and let's get started right away. So, once you're here on your Discord, just click on this user settings icon right here, and then as you can see at the bottom it will say log out. So all you need to do is just click on that, and it says are you sure you want to log out, and just click on log out, and this will have your account logged out, and you can log back in or log into a different account if you want to, and that's up to you. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.